like that, you know. But I'm the one that ease your pain, I know.
Okay, you guys, so welcome back to another day. Okay, so obviously the Redken, okay, frizz dismiss did not work on my hair. I don't know what I did wrong. I don't know if it was the Redken or the shampoo and conditioner. I don't know, but why my hair looks like this, I don't know. And obviously that is just not okay. So since I still owe y'all a hairdo, right? Okay, we are just going to do a slick back ponytail. I know I can rock a ponytail for like a week, so that's exactly what we're gonna do. I was going through like all of my hair and stuff like that in the vault, you know, because everybody got some hair in the vault, whether the vault is the closet, the underneath the sink, a tub of hair, or whatever. Every woman has a vault, okay? And this is what I found in my vault, okay? Long hair. So we finna do a long pony, okay? I'm excited. Yeah, y'all, this is like 36 inches, shake and go, so it's synthetic hair. And it's number 2 because my hair is number 2. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now, here's the thing, right? Before we get too deep into this little, you know, pony tutorial, let me go ahead and tell y'all something. Your girl ain't got no edges. Well, let me not say that. I do have edges, but they are so thin. Like, you have to, like, you know, blink slow so you don't miss them. And that I don't know what's going on. It's like God gave me a lot of hair in other areas, but when it came to my edges, he ran low on supply or something, or skipped me, 1 or 2. I don't know. I'm gonna have to have a conversation with him about that, because you know, the older that you get, the more hair you start losing. And if I ain't got none on the sides to begin with, can y'all imagine a granny like me with a mohawk? I'ma hate it there. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into this pony tutorial while we got the hair to do so. I'm funny. Make sure y'all subscribe. Okay, so I think we're going to go with a side part. Let's see what we working with. See, this is what I mean, y'all. Like, my edges are like super thin, almost like non-existent. But listen, don't even worry about that. Don't focus on that. Focus on that, okay? Watch until the end. Don't focus on that, because I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, and I'm going to use some of this edge booster. Y'all, this edge booster is the bomb.com. You can get this at your local beauty supply store. And I like to just, you know, that's not good enough like that, you know? I like it. It's like, it's not going nowhere. This is how it's gonna be on my hair, on my edges. Anyway, let's go ahead and put some of that there. So y'all see, everything is still thin. I mean, like, I will say, like, for any ponytail style, you know, a good wash and blow dry, baby, that's what you need. And straighten if your hair gets all poofy and crazy looking like mine. I can't even believe that I'm even sitting here doing a ponytail with y'all. Like, it's so hard being bald-headed sometimes. It is, because sometimes you're like, I could work with this. And then sometimes you want to break down and cry. You know, I promise y'all. But I don't think we're going to be having a crying moment today. And then the internet is crazy. Like, I can get on the internet, show my acne journey all day long. This edge journey, baby, I don't know, you know, I don't know. Maybe I need to do like Marlo Hampton and go get like a little surgery or something like that. They can stimulate my my cells or something like that right there on my little scalp. Okay, then I'm just gonna take like a little edge brush. Y'all see what I'm saying? See, y'all, like, when I tell y'all, everything is just so baby like why everything I mean, I wanna make things right, and maybe you'll take me, hope you don't hate me. not putting any more product on my hair. This is how it looks. Look back.
Probably thinking I mercy, but I never want anyone to bring you any harm. And I take it all back just to have you in my home. And I know for a fact who you are, it do be hard.
Don't think you care about me, but you don't care about nobody. Don't think you care about me, but you don't care about nobody.
Ooh, would have never known. Would have never known. Like what? And then y'all, I do have like a little widow's peak. I love to make sure that that's looking good too. But you know, just come through and just, I don't know, I be finger waving my stuff. And it's just like for all just to float and look cute.
I've heard it all. Our conversations got me feeling I'm the fool. Like I should've listened when they said that you would treat me like he did.
Okay. All right, everything is looking good. You see me? Y'all see me? Okay, talk to me nice, y'all. I got a little bit of edge, got a little bit of swoop, got a little bit of, y'all look at me. All right, but anyways, let's go ahead and get back into it. I'm gonna take the rest of my hair right here, and I'm just going to braid it down into a little ponytail and then put like a little rubber band on it.
Have you in my arms? And I know for a fact who you are, it do be hard.
Don't think you care about me, but you don't care about nobody.
Okay, so it is braided down into a braid the best that I can, y'all. I've been doing hair since I was like 7 years old, so sometimes my hand lets me braid, sometimes it's like, ooh girl, you can braid, but you can also finish and twist the rest of that. But this time looks kind of good. All right, you guys, now we're gonna go in with this Shake and Go 32-inch here, okay? And I got this just at my local beauty supply. In there just buying stuff. I didn't go in there to buy and ended up picking this up. So yeah. Alright. I'm not doing the whole glue thing, putting what is it? I'm not into doing the most for this ponytail because you know I can take this out in 2 days. I really can. But let's see what we can accomplish.
And I take it all back just to have you in my home. And I know for a fact who you are, it do be.
Okay, y'all, and I am literally just wrapping this around my ponytail. Old school vibes. Like, I think that the new way that the girlies are doing it is very, very nice. However, y'all, I'll be trying to hurry it up, hurry the process up sometimes. This is gonna be cute. And it's gonna work out soon because my hair is straight. I don't know about this hair. It's already getting tangled, but that's to be expected because it's like super synthetica. But whatever. They talk about put heat on it. No, do not. Will not. See in my hand. Okay, y'all. Look, the hair is cute. Everything, even though my little thin edges, but it's fine. They're doing their thing. Okay. But yeah, y'all, like this everything. Alright, let me see it up so y'all can see. Doop, 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 doop. Sorry, let me stop. But yeah, it's pretty long. I feel cute. But anyways, y'all. I hope y'all like this cute little, you know, little tutorial that I did for y'all right here. I know it was a little journey. Y'all was expecting to see like some straight hair, a cute little bob or something. That's what we talked about, but it did not work out like that, and it's fine. Not everything's gonna work out according to plan, you feel me? But anyways, you guys, that's my time. Like, I always want to say that, but that's my time. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe button. Also hit that little bell on the side so that you can be notified each and every time your girl drops a new video. Don't forget to leave some comments down at the bottom as well, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Until next time, may peace and love be multiplied, folks. Peace.
Like that, you know, but I'm the one that ease your pain. I know.